What do you want to get, BBs?
A bird and a fish.
A bird and a fish. Where's your bird at you're going to get?
It's the blue one.
Which one?
That one.
That is the one you're going to get.
That's the blue one.
She's going to go get somebody to get it. Are you going to take care of it?
Yeah. I want to take care of both of them.
And you're going to feed it? Where's your fish at? Which one do you love more, the fish or the bird? Look at your fish. She said hi.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. I think they love you.
They love me or you?
They love both of us.
Oh, already? What
Yeah.
about Sissy? They love Sissy?
What to do? We're going towards.
What is that, BBs?
It's the rat, and it goes like the mouth.
That's a
but-
scary rat.
Yeah.
Do you want to get a rat so you can take him home? No.
No.
Look, he's coming at you. Ooh, he's opening his mouth.
He likes me.
Yeah, he does. You like him?
Yeah.
You want to take him home too?
But-
No, Mama will get scared if you bring home a rat.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, nice and close.
Don't let
to
him
you,
go.
all right?
What do you got? Come on, let's go take care of it.
Have a wonderful day. Thank
You too. Thank you. Let's go, BBs. What did you get, Boo-Boos?
The bird and the cockroach.
Okay, pick up your bird. What do you want to say to him?
I had to take care of him.
Are you his mama?
Yeah.
What color is he?
Blue?
Let's go take him inside, right? Are you gonna love him?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Here it goes. Watch out, move your foot. He's gonna go in the cage.
Daddy.
Nope, that didn't work.
Is he not leaving?
He has to go in.
What, is he not going in?
I don't know. I don't want him getting out in the house. Go inside.
That's a big bird.
No, not big. It's a baby bird.
There he is,
That is a
Sissy.
big bird.
It's in water. No, the green one is the big one.
Did you see your new bird?
It's blue.
Let me see. Is he cute?
Yes.
Hold on.
He loved us, and he loved you.
Is he cute?
Yeah.
He loves you guys.
Sissy, what color is he?
Blue.
Say hi, Kaku.
Hi, Kaku. What are you doing?
Talk to him, Ava.
Uh-oh. Look who's coming.
No!
No, but be
Don't
nice.
be nice.
That's his too.
Baby,
Look what you did to him. You made him cry, Boo-Boos. Say sorry, baby brother. Pick him up.
go.
Tell him to come here and look at your bird.
It's a bird.
Not in front of me, Liz. On the side. Ava, be nice. Everybody share him. Everybody be nice
It's a
to him.
bird.
Tweet, tweet. Can we pet him?
I don't know. You gotta ask your dad that.
No, not yet. He's scared right now. He just came home. Maybe we'll pick him up another day.
Look at here. He will not be here tomorrow.
You're gonna have him every day, Boo-Boos.
He's so cute.
Sing him a song.
We will pick the dawn door him. Pick the rainbow one to her. Does he make rainbows? Yes. Does he make the dancing? Yes. He makes all the them.
Just pick one and sing it.
Say red and yellow and pink.
No. I want to sing Dirty Dancing.
Okay, sing Dirty Dancing then.
Where? It's more fun than I am. The time of my life. And I want to.
No, I've had the time of my life.
Okay, pick a different song. Sing a different song. Sing the Eensy Peensy Spider.
No. He's not a white bird.
No, sing
White
ring
bird,
around the roses and
He's
go
not a
around
white
them.
bird.
You guys do it?
I want him. A posy. You'll fall down.
Look how happy he is. He smiled. Touch his feet, Boo-Boos. Touch his feet.
Ava, do ring around the roses.
Can you touch his feet? Touch his foot.
He always did that.
Look how happy he is.
Yeah, he liked that. He liked playing with that game.
Yeah.
He playing running away.
Yeah. Is that your new best friend?
Look at Brandon.
I know. Ava, sing him a song. Sing him a song. Hey, be soft. Be soft, baby brother. Don't scare him.
Don't scare him. He doesn't like being scared.
What do you want? Okay.
He's hungry.
Okay, don't scare him too much. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Be nice.
Touch
He's
his
just a
feet.
baby.
They don't like babies wire. Touch his feet. He doesn't like. He likes them. Oh no, he's climbing away. What's him going? Oh, look.
Where is he? On the house?
I can't take it out.
What's your baby's name now? Peppa?
Oh no, he's scaring him.
Where's his mommy and daddy?
What's here?
You're the mama?
He's a dad.
And who are you?
We're mama.
Your mama's?
He likes
Oh, baby, be soft, baby brother. Don't do that.
He doesn't like that.
You're gonna get him dizzy.
Oh, I just get him still.
You know, he's trying to let him out.
I don't want him to.
Okay. Put your fish in his house.
No.
No, baby brother, don't do that.
No, no,
That's
no.
a crayon. Go ahead, put the fish in there.
Ava, you.
Spill him in there, Ava. Spill him in there. Watch out, watch out. Move your hand. Baby brother.
No.
Spill him in. Spill it all in there. All of it. All of it. Keep spilling it. Put him in there. Spill him in there, boo-boos.
I can't.
You can. Do it.
Baby, I did
You
it.
did. He's in the tank now.
This?
Are you happy?
Yeah. No.
Take that marker from him. He's going to mess up his water. I thought it was a crayon. Do you love your fish? You going to feed him too?
I'm gonna feed him.
He's just dipping his hands.
Okay, feed the fish. That's enough food for him for one day.
Can you do better than me? Or
How many
no?
pieces did you give him?
Brandon.
That's all you need to do.
Brandon, that's how I draw.
Daddy, he's not gonna eat it.
He's going to eat it. He's not hungry yet.
That's how I draw.
Dad, they go to
Say it again first.
What's this?
I don't know.